Welcome to CBSE Class 11 Computer Science. In this lesson, we will learn about the CPU and three important types of memory: primary memory, cache memory, and secondary memory. The CPU works on data and instructions. Memory keeps them ready for use. We will study the CPU, its internal parts, why memory is needed, and how different memories work together. The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, carries out the actual processing. It is also called the processor. It fetches programs and data from memory, performs arithmetic and logical operations, and stores the result back in memory. The CPU contains the ALU, control unit, and registers. The ALU performs calculations and logical comparisons. The control unit manages the flow of instructions and data. Registers hold data, instructions, and intermediate results temporarily. Memory is needed because the CPU requires data and instructions before it can process anything. Input data and programs are placed in memory. The CPU fetches them, processes them, and the result may also be stored in memory. Computers use different memories for different purposes. Cache memory is small and very fast. Primary memory is the main working memory used during processing. Secondary memory stores programs and files for long-term use. Primary memory is also called main memory. It stores the data and instructions currently required by the CPU. The CPU can access it directly. It is faster than secondary memory. RAM and ROM are types of primary memory. RAM means random access memory. It stores programs and data currently in use. RAM is temporary, so its contents are lost when power is switched off. ROM means read-only memory. It stores permanent startup instructions and keeps its contents without power. Cache memory is very fast and smaller than primary memory. It is located close to the CPU and stores frequently needed data and instructions. This reduces the time the CPU spends waiting and makes processing faster. Secondary memory is used for permanent or long-term storage. It keeps data when the power is off. It usually has a larger capacity than primary memory, but it is slower. It stores programs, documents, pictures, and other files. Examples of secondary memory include hard disks, SSDs, pen drives, memory cards, CDs, and DVDs. Hard disks and SSDs can store the operating system, software, and files. Pen drives and memory cards are useful portable storage devices. Here is the full flow. Input enters the computer and is placed in primary memory. The CPU fetches and processes it. Cache provides frequently needed data quickly. The result is sent to an output device or saved in secondary memory. Remember the comparison. Cache is the fastest and smallest memory. Primary memory holds current work and is faster than secondary memory. Secondary memory has the largest capacity and keeps data for long-term use. Let us recap. The CPU processes data. The ALU works, the control unit controls, and registers hold temporary values. Primary memory stores current data, cache speeds up access, and secondary memory keeps files for future use. Thank you for watching this video. For more computer science revision, visit www.tuitionharbour.com or email at hello@tuitionharbour.co.uk.